You don't care for intros? Just want to see me fix it? You come to the right place. Welcome to AutoFun Minute Sessions. After lifting the car, I placed an oil drain pan underneath the transmission. I then removed the transmission drain plug using an 8mm hex bit and allowed the oil fluid to fully drain out. Once there's no more fluid coming out, I reinstall the drain plug starting by hand, then using my ratchet, and then finally torquing it to spec. Next, I remove the transmission fill plug using pliers. I like to use flat, non-serrated pliers to avoid damaging the rubber plug. I use Mopar ATF+4 and this attachment nozzle to fill the transmission. The nice thing about this nozzle is that it can be shut on or off to avoid spilling fluids. This is especially helpful as I fill the transmission from the top with the bottle upside down. With the nozzle attached, I feed the hose from the top towards the transmission fill hole. Once the tube is secured in place, I fill the transmission 1/4 at a time. While the manual calls for 4 ounces of friction modifier, I don't add any. Once the fluid is within 3/16 below the fill hole, I reinstall the plug, and the fluid change is now complete.